Hello everyone, welcome to BCOM 3113 Week 8. We are officially heading into the halfway point of the semester. You may not feel this way, but I feel like it's flown by. Been in a constant state of catch-up, so I appreciate your all's patience with me. Just like every other week, I just want to go over real quickly what we're doing. The biggest thing, obviously, is that the business message portfolio assignment is due this week. I feel fortunate that several of you have already reached out to me. You are kind of ahead of the curve and have asked for some help. I'm willing to look at anything that you have. Obviously, you know, the later in the week you wait to contact me about that, the less chance I will have to actually respond in time. But I will do my best. I think the biggest piece of advice I could give is to make sure and watch that walkthrough video from week 6 on the assignment. And then of course this week, where the Dropbox is located under the content, there are also the rubrics. So if you read very, very carefully each one of those rubric categories, they're pretty specific, and then that way, you know, sometimes you could just send me an email with specific questions about that in addition to your draft. So the only other thing we have to do today is, because I want you to focus on finishing up that big assignment, which is worth 100 points, right? 10% of your course grade, is the persuasive writing exercise. So this is kind of wrapping up our whole segment that we've been doing on persuasive communication. And the biggest thing that we're doing there is taking a look at one of the more successful kind of contemporary thought leaders in business right now. These are the types of people that, you know, are consistently on the New York Times bestseller list. Is Simon Sinek. And so I've got an excerpt from one of his recent books called Leaders Eat Last, and then an assignment attached to that where it really asks you some comprehension questions from reading, and then it asks you to kind of try to synthesize and put into practice what the guy is talking about by doing a little bit of research and then pretending like you work for a real life company. So that's good, right? I mean, we're doing some real life things. You know, I think it's always very beneficial to try to apply this stuff in a real way as much as we can. And so that's one of the things that we're doing here. So I would encourage you, even beyond this assignment, to kind of think about what Sinek is saying in this excerpt and see if you can kind of try to apply that to, you know, your professional endeavors, if not your personal life. So as always, reach out to me. We're up against the clock for the deadline for the business message portfolio. But if you have any questions, let me know, and have a great week.